Our heat and massage chairs offer many of the same benefits as traditional riser recliners, and when it comes to setup, they don't differ much at all. But the added features of heat and massage can take some getting used to, so in this video we'll run through how they work and how they can help. Before we begin, make sure you've got your riser recliner set up properly. Watch our guide to setting up a riser recliner video if you're not sure how to do this yourself. At the rear of the chair, connect the base and backrest heat and massage functions together by connecting the internal wires. These wires will be loosely protruding from the bottom of the backrest and will be at the rear of the base. As well as the controls for the backrest and the footrest of your chair, you'll also find the controls for the heat and massage system on the handset. Check that the handset is plugged in to the motor. The heat function can help reduce pain in muscles and joints by opening up your blood vessels to promote better circulation. This is also useful if you're recovering from a recent injury or operation. Use the massage function to target specific areas of your body, from your back to your legs. With different intensities and rhythms to choose from, the massage function is great for relieving pressure in areas that are prone to aches, pains and sores.